You described 6 stages in the evolution of information processing in the universe, as you started to describe. Can you maybe talk through some of those stages, from the physics and chemistry to DNA and brains, and then to the very end, to the very beautiful end of this process?
Well, it actually gets more rapid. So physics and chemistry, that's how we started.
So,
And
from the very beginning of the universe,
we had lots of electrons and various things traveling around. And that took actually many billions of years. Kind of jumping ahead here to kind of some of the last stages where we have things like love and creativity. It's really quite remarkable that happens. But finally, physics and chemistry created biology and DNA. And now you had actually one type of molecule that described the cutting edge of this process. And we go from physics and chemistry to biology. And finally, biology created brains. I mean, not everything that's created by biology has a brain, but eventually brains came along.
and all of this is happening faster and faster.
Yeah. It created increasingly complex organisms. Another key thing is actually not just brains, but our thumb. Because there's a lot of animals with brains even bigger than humans. I mean, elephants have a bigger brain, whales have a bigger brain, but they've not created technology because they don't have a thumb. So that's one of the really key elements in the evolution of humans.
This physical manipulator device,
Right.
that's useful for puzzle solving in the physical reality.
So I mean, I could look at a tree and go, oh, well, I could actually strip that branch down and eliminate the leaves and carve a tip on it, and I would create technology. And you can't do that if you don't have a thumb.
Yeah.
So thumbs then created technology, and technology also had a memory, and now those memories are competing with the scale and scope of human beings, and ultimately we'll go beyond it, and then we're going to merge human technology with human intelligence and understand how human intelligence works, which I think we already do, and we're putting that into our human technology.
So create the technology inspired by our own intelligence, and then that technology supersedes us in terms of its capabilities, and we ride along. Or do you ultimately see it as?
And we ride along, but a lot of people don't see that. They
Yes.
say, well, okay, you got humans and you got machines, and there's no way we can ultimately compete with humans. And you can already see that. Lee Sedol, who's like the best Go player in the world, says he's not going to play Go anymore.
Yeah.
Because playing Go for human, that was like the ultimate in intelligence, because no one else could do that. But now a machine can actually go way beyond him. And so he says, well, there's no point playing it anymore.
That may be more true for games than it is for life. I think there's a lot of benefit to working together with AI in regular life.